He's the personal and official emissary of President, no, Premier Abe of Japan. He was the one who invited me. The last time that I was invited, I was not able to make it because I declared martial law and I was very busy fixing up things. Ngayon sabi niya, i-announce ko that finally I was able to make it, and I'm very happy that I was allowed to board this huge ship. He wants the world to know that I am the first head of state to be invited to board this new ship. It was only commissioned in 2015. It's really a new one, and it's very impressive for humanitarian and war purposes. It is dedicated to humanitarian efforts, but it is also armed by missiles. State of the art, very big. Any question about the ship? Ay, ma'am, anong question mo? Kilala kita eh. Pati si...
Hi.
Sana isa?
Good afternoon, Mr. President.
Yes.
Hi, sir. AC Nichols from CNN
Ay,
Philippines.
oo.
Hi, sir. Sir, can I ask a question, but it's not going to be about the ship, sir? Today we learned that the government, through the OPAP, is apparently talking to the Maute Group, sir. This is... that's why nagkaroon tayo ng humanitarian pause daw for 4 hours earlier today for the rescue of trapped civilians. Does this mean, Mr. President, that we're negotiating now with the Maute Group?
No, I am not ready to negotiate with terrorists. We had a talk last week, and Chairman Murad of the MNLF went there and offered to help open peace channels so that the residents there who are trapped now can go out and out of the harm's way. That was what we agreed upon, and I said we can talk to anybody and everybody, including the Maute. They are the ones fighting there. They are the ones getting trouble there. So it is up to them to allow government and the other NGOs to go inside, including the church, to rescue some of the helpless civilians there. But talking about law and order, that's far from my mind. I will also inform you that I had a late talk last night with Nur Miswari, and he has offered to ask his troops of the MNLF, the able-bodied ones still, to fight with government, and I accepted the offer. We will have something like new integris. We have been always accepting integris from the MNLF, and so far, walang problema. He has offered 2,000, and I said I'm willing to take in 2,000 as regular troops of the armed forces of the government. That offer also goes to the NPAs. Kayong ayaw na ninyo mag-away, I'm not asking you to join my force. You just surrender, and I'll give you the houses, and I will expand the land reform program of the government. Ako na yung maghanap ng pera. Yung gustong magsundalo, kung ano yung ranggo mo doon, yun ang ranggo mo dito sa ano. I'm not taking yung mga generals. When yung the rank and file, if they desire to surrender and be with to fight with the government forces, I am taking them in as soldiers of the Republic. Sinora offered 3, sabi ko, well, baka marami man. Initially, I would need billions for that. Just to prepare them, train them. Pero sa gira, wala na to. I do not have to train them to go to war. They are at war with us. But if they decide to side with us, then maybe I can solve a little bit of the problem.
Sir, just as a follow-up dun sa Maute, sir, I'm sorry. Can you tell us a little bit about the mechanism used? And does this mean na pwede na rin pong mag-demand yung terrorists in Marawi right now? Kasi yun nga, sir, negotiations daw yun nangyayari po.
You look, the only reason why this war has dragged on for several weeks is that government is always limited and curtailed. We cannot go in firing our weapons at once because we do not want to hurt civilians. That is the last thing that we would like to do. Sila, kung magpaputok sila ng mortar, they don't bother to look what's behind, what's on the side. Ang gobyerno, hindi. You know, I have already 12 the arrivals of the 4, that completes the 12 modernization of the Air Force. 12 jets, new ones. I can end this war in 24 hours. All I have to do is to order the Air Force to release all their bombs and their arsenal and their ordnance. And I will level everything down there on the ground. But I cannot do that. We are a government bound by civilized rules. Kaya kong tapusin yan 24 oras. Ihulog ko ng lahat yung bomba dyan. But I cannot do it. So we have to, you know, dahan-dahan ka, you have to go to the mountains and make sure that nobody is behind or be on the side to do some collateral damage. Kasi pagka ganon, talo tayo. If we kill a lot of civilians more than the rebels, we lose the fight. Because we lose the moral ascendancy. Because it says that we do not care about lives, about human rights and all.
Sir, I'm Katrina Son from GMA7.
Ikaw pala yun? Ay, mas maganda ka sa personal.
Sir, napanood yun na po yung CCTV footage nung sa Resorts World. Na-identify na rin po yung suspect. Your reaction on this po, Mr. President?
You know, it was not, unfortunately though, the reaction was terrorism. That guy is how would I call him? A habitual gambler, not even an addict. So he lost everything in his life. Tapos naging gago, he lost his mind, binuhos niya yung galit niya doon sa, well, the dynamics of gambling. Ano ba naman terorista na wala naman siyang pinatay, wala siyang binaril, nagnakaw siya ng chips without realizing that he cannot use it, but he placed it all in his bag, yung million peso chip. Sira talaga, nag-snap. The only problem is the crowds there, walang mga, I do not want to, but the hotel has to explain to us bakit walang mga exit kaagad. They hid in the small rooms, mga storage, and in the toilets, in the comfort room, and they died of suffocation. And to think that there's only one son of a bitch running a rampage there. Malas na talaga. I'm sorry that it had to happen. And I apologize to the families that expecting us to, we could not do it also without knowing what was happening, you know. Gusto kasi nila na malibre talaga, kaawa eh. Wala namang kalaban, ayaw namang pumatay, ang putang ina niya. Bakit pa nagdamay ng tao? So, it's not terrorism. Yung terrorism, nasa London na yun. But it can happen. remember this, always, always, whatever happens that's extraordinary or unnatural, the law, yung Murphy's Law will take over. If we cannot explain, we'd always say, if a thing can go wrong, it will go wrong. Pwede ba itong mangyari? Mangyari talaga yan. Maniwala ka. Kaya nang gano'n. Would ever think that one man could cause the death without really knowing it, without intending to kill people, but the fact is, the reaction was to go inside the rooms. Ang hotel this is just to one question. Bakit walang exit na marami? Or, bagay nga, the human mind cannot be explained. Under stress sila. But you know, in magsunog, if there is water, you just wet it, then place it inside your face, inside rather, over your face, and creep mga about a few meters away. Ang usok kasi pataas yan eh. And if you have that, your handkerchief, basahin mo lang, ano mo, tapos you slowly, kung makaya mo pang saan ang exit, you just crawl. Before yung ilapit mo lang, ang usok kasi tumataas eh. Papuntang itaas yan. So if you are standing, one of the ways of survival. The other one is just go beside a beautiful woman. You will be safe. Because you will be inspired to rescue her.
Sir, good afternoon po.
Oh.
Julius Disamburon po ng PTV4. Apo.
Ano po? Ano yun?
Julius Disamburon po ng PTV4 po. Apo. Sir,
Ikaw?
Apo. Sir, yung stronger relations po ng Pilipinas at ng Japan, aasahan po natin yan sa mga susunod na mga buwan po at mga araw. At gayon din po with this visit, yung pong magiging tulong po ng Japan on our defense cooperation po.
Not only that, Japan is historical friend. It has a long history of helping us, mostly. If you go there to Mindanao and the rest of the country, you'll find so many JICA, Japanese overseas, the national overseas. Not only that, and it has given us frigates and a lot of help. Yung trainer ng mga aeroplano, nung dumating, Japan has been a very helpful friend. Our ties with Japan is historical, and I know that we will be with them for all time. They can count on our gratitude for helping us and also our friendship to fight with them. We have so many problems in this world. And I said, we are friends, historical ones. We have a lot to say thank you to you. And I'd like Japan to know that we are a people of gratitude. Okay? Kasi mag-uwi na ako. You have a question, ma'am? Yes.
Thank you po. My name is Akiko Suzuki of the Asahi Shimbun newspaper. I would like to ask you about this huge ship. The aim of Japan to send this huge ship to the Philippines is, of course, to restrain China, which is quite active these years in constructing in South China Sea. Do you fully support the idea that China's deed or activities could be, or should be at least, restrained by this kind of partnership?
Yes, we are, as a matter of fact, the last time that we talked with President Xi Jinping, one of the issues that I raised was, could we have the code of conduct of the seas before the ASEAN or during the ASEAN proper itself, it could be one of the sa mga agenda of the different bodies that we can discuss it and have it. I think that everybody just want to follow the resolution of one conflict in a peaceful way and the observance of the rule of law. We are up to that only. We are limited by the law of nations, which says that the conflicts will be resolved peacefully and that the rule of law must be allowed or respected or whatever. Ako, I already told you my sense. I was direct. Ako, wala na akong arbitral. Sinabi ko, amin yan. And I will dig the oil there. Wala na akong drama nila, Carpio, yung magpunta-punta pa sa ano. Diretso. Sabi niya, kung may pala ka, di kaya mo, sige. I explained this answer in so many ways. Because hindi naman tayo makaano. But he was very extra courteous and ever a respectful leader also. So, it's about the only thing that bothers us all, kaming mga nasa itaas, is the rockos now going on in the Korean Peninsula. I hope that guy does not commit a mistake. It could be a serious one. Now, one of these days, he keeps on flying the missiles. One of these days, maglanding yan sa Luneta, tignan mo. Maggulo na yan. Then, it's time for media to go to the area of conflict to cover. Mauna muna kayo kasi
Japan.
yes, ganito yan. Mr. Kawai is the personal and official emissary. They were, but they understood the last time that I was facing quite a serious problem here. But the Prime Minister is still hopeful that I could make the visit to Japan before the ASEAN summit. And I think that I will be sending Cayetano on several missions because I really want the conduct of the sea, the code of conduct of the seas be passed during the time of the ASEAN head of states meeting here. Everybody will appreciate it. Itong Korea, puntahan na lang ninyo, tanongin ninyo kung bakit. You know, that guy is playing with dangerous toys. He treats it as a toy. So, he is proud that he has flown 1, flown 2, flown 3. One of these days, maglanding yan doon sa Malacanang sa bahay ko. Doon na kayo mag-standby para masalo natin.